How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to discover and connect with people near you using SnapMap. First, open Snapchat and tap on the map icon at the bottom of the screen to open SnapMap. After that, you'll see a map of your current area. Pinch out to zoom in on your surroundings. From there, look around the map and you'll notice posts and stories from nearby places. These are snaps that people have posted publicly from locations around you. Right here, tap on any post or spotlight that catches your eye to open it. Moving on, once a snap opens, you'll be able to see the profile of the person who posted it. Tap on their profile icon or username to open their profile. From here, once you're on their profile, tap the Add button to send them a friend request. After that, you can also tap on store or location markers on the map to see snaps posted from that specific spot and find people posting from nearby places. Following this, keep exploring the map and tapping on different posts to discover more people in your area. Finally, keep in mind that you can only see public snaps from people who have their location and story visibility set to everyone. If someone has their privacy settings restricted, their posts won't appear on the map. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.